Hello, hello, and welcome to this daily yoga flow, a short, sweet practice for every day when you're short of time. So, I will suggest a bit of everything in a compact way. We will start in a sitting position of your choice, hands resting on your knees, eyes closed. Let's take a few moments to check in with the body and with ourselves. Taking a few deep breaths here. Then start to roll the head in a clockwise direction. And then anti-clockwise. Bring the head to center, open your eyes. Inhale, reach your arms up, interlace the fingers and flip your palms up to the sky. Exhale and bend to your right. Inhale, lift back up, extend your spine. Exhale to your left. Inhale up. Exhale, twist to your right, left hand on the knee, right hand behind for support. And then twist slowly, gazing over the right shoulder. Each exhale a little bit further. Arms up, inhale to center. Exhale, twist to your left, so opposite side, right hand on the left knee, left hand behind. Exhale, look over your left shoulder this time. Release your twists, your hands behind you. Uncross your feet. Place them on the mat, a little wider than your hip width, and then knock them side to side. The next time your knees fall to your left, then stay there and fold with your exhale, chin to chest. Pause here. Lift back up. Bring your knees over to the right. Twist to your right, and then either you stay on your hands or you fold on your forearms. Lift back up. Bring your feet together, open your knees wide, and then to generate some heat, you will bring your knees up and down as fast as you can. And then pause. And as you fold forwards, relax your chin to your chest, relax your face. Keep your attention on your breath. Come back up. And then sitting on your seat bones perpendicular to the floor, you will balance on your buttocks and sit back, lifting your feet a little higher than your knee level. Now cross your ankles, bring them close to the body, both hands down, move to tabletop. Here we're going to do very wide circle with the body, so we try and move as wide as we can in all directions, pressing hands fully down. Let's change direction. Press the tip of the fingers, base of the fingers. One more turn. And now you're going to move your fingers so that they face one another, and you will move side to side. Nice. Now flip your hands to make them face forwards. Inhale, arch your back, look up, open the chest. Exhale, round your spine, look at the belly. Move the shoulder blades up. And let's go. Inhale, arch at the pace of your own breath. You move as comfortably as you feel you can. Each time a little deeper into each one of the poses. One more. After the next exhale, you will slowly move your way down to the belly with your elbows under the shoulder. Pressing with the top of the feet, shoulders back. Inhale here. With the exhale, hands by the side of your chest, go to the tabletop and then to downward dog. So you may pedal a little bit. Make sure you ground your hands fully, fingers, palms of the hands. Add a little movement, if you wish, around your neck, your hips. And then inhale, right leg up high. Exhale, knee to nose into plank or as close as you can. And move that right foot in between your hands. And then high lunge with the inhale. Exhale, cactus your arms, broaden your chest. And then twist to your right. Bring your hands together in prayer. And you're going to bring your left elbow against the right outer knee. Back leg is strong, breath is flowing. Twist to the left now. The right hand will go on the inside of the right foot. Open up the back foot, reach your right arm up. If your hand on the floor is too hard, you can bring the forearm to your thigh instead. And then extend from the left foot to the left fingertips, shoulders away from the neck. Breath flows, legs are strong. Now look down. Both hands down on the inside of the right foot, and let's move our right foot out a bit. Back knee down and find lizard. You may stay on your hands, extending the back straight and long. Or you may want to try and go onto your elbows. Today I stay on my hands. One more inhale. Next exhale, you go to plank. Maybe you want to drop your knees down and let's go to chaturanga with the next exhale. Lie down on the belly. Inhale to baby cobra or maybe cobra. And then exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up high in the air. Exhale, plank with knee to nose or as close as possible. Left foot in between your hands. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale. And then twist to your left with the exhale, joining palms of the hands together. Lock your elbow and knee together. You may drop the back knee down if it's too much. Twist with the pressing of the elbow and the knee together. Opposition of forces. Now face forward, drop your left hand down, move the back foot a little bit so you drop it onto the floor. Parshvakonasana, you may have your forearm on your knee. Shoulders away from the neck, face is relaxed. Inhale one more time. And then face forwards, right hand down. Drop your knee, back knee down. Move your left foot out. Lizard. Exhaling all tension that you can feel. Pick up your back knee And then step your back foot on the outside of your right hand. Now bending the knees slowly, lowering your hips, you go to Malasana. It may be too much for you. You may be on your tippy toes. It's okay. Whichever works best. Also, if you can have your heels down, you may push your knees out with your elbows and squeeze your elbows with your knees. Lift the chest to the hands. Again, opposition of forces, elbows and knees. Now you will come up slowly into a standing forward bend and take a big step to the side to face the long side of the mat, feet wide apart. Outer edge of the feet pushing into the floor. You may have a little bend in your knee. Drop the upper body, the hands, arms, neck. Everything is resting and falling. Hanging. One more breath. Now lift halfway up. You may keep the knees a little bent. The back is flat parallel to the floor. Left hand down under the face. Inhale, open to the right side. Right arm up. Exhale, right hand back down under the face. Change hands. Left arm moves along the arm, right arm and chest and lifts with the inhale. And it's again. Exhale down. One more. Inhale up. Exhale down with the right hand. Inhale up with the left arm. Exhale down one more time. Bend generously your knees. Face the front of the mat. Step to plank. Inhale in plank. Exhale chaturanga. Inhale in the back bend of your choice. I choose up dog. You may choose cobra. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. With the exhale, we're going to drop the knees into tabletop. With the inhale, we open the right arm out to the side. And we exhale, threading that right arm under the left. Pressing the right shoulder down, turn the chest to the left, relax the face. One more breath here. Release everything you can. Inhale, back to all fours. Exhale once. Inhale, left arm up to the side. Exhale, thread that left arm under the right, left shoulder down. Turning the chest to the right this time. You may keep your right hand here or choose to extend it forward or up to the sky. One more breath. Come back to center. Bring your big toes to touch, open the knees wide, and then go to child's pose. Walk your hands into your knees. Keep your eyes closed and sit up. And inhaling, bring your shoulders up to the ears and then roll them back and down when you exhale. One more time. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I wish you a great day. I hope you're feeling energized. Take care and see you again.